So, okay. Okay. Oh boy. So, okay. Okay. Oh boy.
You, how you living out there tonight, this afternoon, whatever the case may be? Ooh, got something going on here. Got a little bit of issue here. Hold on. There it is. Got it. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. All right, ready to roll. Tonight, we are going to be working on client controls for the turn-based MOBA. Essentially, we will be implementing the buttons that will control the game in the client. So our goal is to get the buttons working, then have it draw a path on the in the game area where our characters are going to move to, and then later on, outside of the stream, I will be implementing that through the back end into the actual game. So tonight we just need to get a little path drawn when we push the buttons, and then if we get that done, if we get a W for the night, we actually have some cleanup we have to do with some animations and stuff that I have to bring in. Have some cleanup of the models done that have to be pulled in to the main game. But we will get to that. Let's first... Why am I dropping frames? Okay. It seems to have stopped, but it was happening for a second. Anyway. Let's go and jump on in. Sit back, relax, and let's get to work. Oh, one thing we're going to try real quick, though. We're going to try a secondary... to have a secondary experiment going on where I'm going to play some music and see if I get in trouble for it. See if the string gets dinged for it. But you sit back, relax. I got this. Let's go. Here are our buttons. As you see, they kind of fit together. We're going to essentially put together a control on the screen. Let's go ahead and activate and see what our actual screen's going to look like. I probably should show the game off for anybody that cares, or anybody who's kind of watching right now. That's one thing that's weird. Okay, never mind. All right, so I thought I saw something weird on Twitter, but never mind. All right, never mind. Okay, so there's nothing to see here because it's just a bunch of blank panels. But they're essentially, and I keep saying essentially, but each one of these represents a panel in the game that your character can move to, and then there will be different there should be representations of the different should be representations of the different things that you could run into in these panels. I'm wondering why they're not here. Now I am pulling this locally instead of from the way it works. I'm pulling it from just a save file, but I thought that had everything in it. A save file is just for testing. Anyway, worry about that later. It doesn't mess with our objective tonight.
Tonofbrix says, hello, how is your night going?
It's going good, man. I hope you're doing well. Hey, I left you a message on the Discord and you never got back to me because I saw your message from the last stream, the last YouTube stream, and I responded to it. So if you see that, just hit me back. But one thing I did say in there that has changed since I left it is I had talked about like getting rid of the YouTube stream, which I've actually backtracked on, and now I'm actually getting rid of the Twitter stream, which is already in progress of going away. But yeah, so that's one thing that's happened since the last time we've you and me have talked. Let me get this next music started, by the way. And some other things has changed as well. I had if you've seen the short I had over there, I have up on YouTube for the playtest, the live playtest I had when I was at a meetup. So that was kind of real revealing about some things about gravitas, and I had to make some decisions around it. I've decided that instead of doing any more um, any more new mechanics like the gravity one I told you about, the black hole one I told you about, I've decided to just go ahead and put that on pause and just go ahead and start refining everything I've got so far. Because one thing I ran into at that playtest is people just didn't get the mechanics. So I really need to clean that stuff up, and I need to have like actual tutorial levels and actually make sure everything is very clean and smooth and very informative about what's going on at any given time. Things like when they destroy something, it took so long that they were clicking on things that had already been destroyed. Like I have to fix that stuff. Just letting that slide is ruining the experience for anybody that plays it. Because I could tell they just weren't into it. Because yeah, they would just sit down and be like trying to click on things, and I was like, and I kind of had to explain things to them. They didn't know how they won or lost a level. So I just had to be more deliberate about the way things are going to operate in that game. So that's where I'm at with that.
Tonofbrix says, I see.
Yeah. So it's we gotta do some. Oh, I gotta do some serious cleanup of that game. I've got to probably rewrite that whole destruction code. Go back to old school instead of the way I was working now with like list of lists. Actually, go old school and do a bunch of memory management like I would do in C++ or something. But anyway, what's up with you, man? So these are our new buttons we're putting in tonight. Actually, before I do that, should I figure out how we're going to actually see the... Well, no. What it needs to be is on a UI level. I remember that. Also, another thing that's changed since we talked is with the turn-based MOBA. I have sat down with someone, or I had conversations with someone who is pretty knowledgeable in Unity, and they told me a workaround for the animation problems I've been having. So I'm going to not switch to using another animation engine. I'm going to continue trying to use the default one, but I'm going to have to rewrite some things for and get it working the way he showed me, which essentially is not using the animation events, but using events of states. All right. That concludes that little experiment. We'll be back. Go ahead and jump on some action or our normal music. Normal music. Oh, I hit the wrong button. That's why. Okay. So lots of things have happened in the last week or so. All right, I need to do the UI level, and I know I saw from Gravitas how that works. I just got to remember. I can't drop anything there. Visual element. How do I set the image here? I forgot. This is UI toolkit. They say this is like using style sheets, and I don't know if I want to use some style. I don't know if I want to do that. This is probably not the way I wanted to go. It's probably worth learning, but I don't know if I want to learn it tonight. I'm gonna hold off on this. Doing it this way. Let's try another way. This is the way I remember it. And I don't have a camera. I do have a camera. Okay. This I remember doing it in Gravitas, at least how I saw the UI guy had set that up in Gravitas. This is good practice for me learning UI. Okay. Oh, also, tons news for you. I spent some time over the weekend looking at the way I'm going to redo the office space in preparation for figuring out where the dog game's going to go. So, did a little bit of that over the weekend. I'll probably end up working out some dynamic, and that's probably where we actually end up going tonight, is working on a more dynamic way to position this. But I just want to get this. We'll do this default ones for right now.
Tonopbrix says, yo, I am so sorry, I had to go for a sec, there was a minor emergency, but all is well and I am back. What did I miss?
Oh, nothing much, man. I hope everything's all right, by the way. But I did talk a little bit about, I don't know, I know you caught the part about Gravitas. For the turn-based MOBA, I talked about, was it, I had got with someone who had helped me figure out what was the issue with my animation, the animation issue, and so I will not be working on. I will not be transitioning to a new animation engine or Godot. I will be essentially making the changes he told me to make that use state events instead of animation events. So that's one thing. I did mention that I looked at rearranging the office in preparation to put the dog cam up. So that's in the works. And one thing I didn't mention is I have run into some issues with funding the turn-based MOBA. I've had some financial problems that have essentially dried up my extra income. So I got to figure out what to do. I mean, we were already coming close to the end of concept art and modeling phase, but it's the animation phase that is which takes a bulk of the money. So I got to figure out what to do from here, and it may just be that it's just very slow. But I still can move forward. I can still just have limited, some limited things happening, like some very rudimentary demos when I finally get to that point. I mean, I can continue to push forward. Like it's not a complete blocker, but it's not where I wanted it to be, where things will keep rolling. So parts of the development will slow to a crawl, while others keep moving. If that makes sense. So, but it is what it is. I had thought about maybe I have.
Says, okay, thank you for filling me in on what I missed, and I hope your financial situation gets better.
Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate that. But yeah. So I've thought about maybe even like crowdfunding or something like that, but I'd actually have to get a demo together for that. Or at least I feel like it, because I know there have been like Kickstarters that have had less. But I personally want to show people the idea. I want to present them with something just so they can get where I'm coming from. Yeah, that's just me. And I could be just spinning my wheels, and I could be progressing in ways how's a better way to say it? I could be hamstringing myself when I could honestly be like crowdfunding now, probably. Well, crowdfunding with proper preparation, instead of waiting till I have something like tangible to show people. Because I've known projects that have done less and gotten funded.
Tonopbrix says, I will support you along this journey, I guess you could call it.
Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate that. I know you're always here, and that's good enough for me.
Multi-Wizard says, Oi.
Multi-Wizard, look at you showing up. How's it going, man? I've been meaning to ask you something, by the way, because a lot of the music that that's played on stream is yours. I'd be wondering, some of that music be in like Spanish and French and Russian. Do you actually speak those languages?
Multi-Wizard says, I got a link for Yak.
Okay, I wonder if it'll post there. You can try it.
Multi-Wizard says, yeah.
So you know multiple languages like that, dude? So that means you know 4 languages at least. How many languages you know? And if that link don't post, drop it in Discord and I get it from there.
Multi-Wizard says, some JP more Russian, few German words, more French and Spanish and English, LOL.
I got you. I hope everything's okay with your family, by the way. I know you had posted about that in the Discord. Let's see. Okay, so now we got our buttons in place. Let's actually make them into buttons.
Multi-Wizard says, she is free, smiley face.
I'm wondering what the word free means, and you don't have to explain to me if you don't want to here. But I guess you mean she's fine.
Multi-Wizard says, 3D modal.
3D mode. I'm sorry. Is that what the link is? So if you can't post it here, just let me know if you put it on the Discord. In fact, let me bring up the Discord.
Multi-Wizard says, yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, just as soon as I see it pop up in the Discord, I'll bring it up and check it out. Oh, that is okay. I guess that does not have to put it in the graphics. Oh, what am I doing? I'm in play mode. Yeah, of course. I did that in play mode. And ugh, I should have wrote all that down.
Multi-Wizard says. It's there.
Okay. Oh. One sec. So now you gotta tell me about this. So this lets you design a model? Because I'm guessing this is what you created.
Multi-Wizard says. Yup.
Wow. That is cool. Dude, if I hadn't already done like my modeling for this game, I would consider using this. The question is now, so are you gonna do something like take it into Maximo and see if you can get it
Multi-Wizard says. It's not mine though.
Oh, okay. I thought it was yours. So yeah, then how did they But I'm guessing it's easy to do. Or not easy, but I'm sure there's a way to go through it.
AILOL.
Yeah, exactly. You're using an AI to actually generate this mesh. That is super cool. I gotta remember that. Are you gonna use it for one of your games? And I wonder, can you just take this into Maximo and have it rig it for you? Because you could just put together your own game.
Says. Yup.
Okay. That's cool, man. Thanks for sharing that.
Multi-Wizard says. Try the download formats.
Yeah, actually, that's a good point.
Says. AI is getting better and better. That's crazy that an AI made it. I kinda want to try that.
Me too, actually. Me too. Yeah, hold on. Let me bring it back up. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to download formats.
Multi-Wizard
yeah, so FBX,
says.
yeah.
To see what's there.
If I had Blender on set up on this machine right now, I would pull it down and actually look at it. Because I would take this. Well, let me see. Can I take this into Maximo? Let's do that. 1 second, me.
Multi-Wizard says. BRB.
I wonder how much this costs too. You can try it for free, so I don't want to try it now. I want to wait till I actually like really want to dig into it. So the free is you get you get 2,000 credits, and you can do one at a time. Okay, can I continue forward past this? Or they're gonna make me pay? Oh, you have to? Wait a minute, hold on. Because it's not letting me progress. It's saying free. No credit card needed. When I try to hit anything, okay, you have to be a subscriber, right? I don't understand why it's not letting me go any further.
Also the somewhat official Bigman 24x7 NPC and House of Dreams, I say with quotations, is almost finished.
Thank you, man. I can't wait to see it. Yeah, I don't think it's going to let me go any further unless I purchase something or sign up for a plan. Because if I do anything, I'll show it. Because I'm not gonna go any further. It says current plan here, but it doesn't let me click on anything for the free. And I don't want to, and you can't do that unless you have an active subscription to purchase, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, we'll work on, I mean, I'll check on this some other time, but that's pretty cool. I really love to try that out on a new project. Because still, I would want, like, even if I could take it into Maximo, that only would give you like Maximo's, Maximo's animations. That only takes you so far. Then you'd actually have to see if you can purchase animations that will work on that rig. Or maybe there's another AI that lets you do animations. Or maybe you can take it into U-Motion. That's another thing I found out from the dude that taught me about the issue around the animations that I was dealing with. He uses U-Motion to actually program his own animations, which is, it's cool, but I would still like somebody that has a better grasp of doing animations do it than like myself, because it would take me forever, and I'm just better at programming, period, than I would be in animations.
Multi-Wizard says, I'm back.
Okay.
Tonofbricks says, I pretty much tried to make it like a holograms that when you run through it, it shifts and glitches, and for a second you can see it as a cardboard shack or something.
I can't wait to see that, man. I can't wait. That's gonna be great. Yeah, Multi-Wizard. I tried to download it to see if I could bring it into Maximo, and it won't let me move further, move forward. On the free, like it looks like you have to purchase something, or you have to at least sign up to get the free, I guess. I'm not sure. Like I don't know, but it wouldn't let me progress forward. But let me know what you find out, man. If you mess with it, like, have you ever done Maximo? Like, have you ever uploaded anything to Maximo? Because that's where I'll show you.
Multi-Wizard says, what format you want?
It would be FBX. I think FBX is Maximo. Where
Multi-Wizard says, I'll try to get it.
Okay. Why doesn't it be right back on there? And why isn't my stuff coming up? Oh, because the be right back. I can't take that off, can I? Because I messed up my settings earlier. All right, hold on. Yeah, so this animation here on my avatar, I got off Maximo. That and the opening. All Maximo animations I got, and I took them into like Blender and then further applied them, massaged them. I got you. Yeah, I'm terrible at animations. Like I actually did. Oh man, I spent the first year of this stream making like test animations for the MOBA, and they were all pretty terrible. But yeah, that was the first year of the stream was me in Blender. Oh, I've got that clip. That's right. I got that clip on YouTube about it. Where the guy came in and tried to convince me I needed to put boob physics in my game. And everybody since argues with me about putting boob physics in the game. And when they see that clip, I get boob physics are actual a thing, but they're overdone in gaming. Like, and they don't need to be in my game. There's just no reason for it. I'll stand by that statement. Okay. Let me redo this because I messed up and did this in play mode. Yeah, and multiple. Let me know how you were able to get past that. When you, like I said, when I downloaded, I showed it. I had nothing to click on other than like purchase something.
Multi-Wizard says, look like I'll see what up tomorrow.
Okay, something's happening, or you just was it blocking you too?
Multi-Wizard says, I don't mind paying 20 for something like this.
Yeah, oh, I wouldn't mind actually like paying for a subscription for at least a month, but I want to have time to work on it. I know I won't have that right now. I would really want to, like, if I was going to do another project, I would really look at that.
Multi-Wizard says, seems cool.
It definitely does. I've seen other things like animations that, like animation setups using AI and like cameras for your physical body. In fact, one of the things I plan to mess around with that I've been sitting on is a full body control for my my avatar. But I know I can't. The way it works, I know I can't use it during the stream because it's a camera that will actually look at my entire body, and I'm going to use a green screen behind me, and then I have to see how well that's going to work. I tried to implement it for the stream, but it's just too much to set up and too much to run it at the same time. Run on top of everything else is running on the machine. But I wonder if that can be translated to actual animations as well, because I did look at like transitioning avatar animations to actual like animations, like in game animations. And there's supposed to be some plugins in Blender for that stuff. So you can take a regular animation that you've made and apply it to an avatar, like mine. So it should also work the other way around. But Multi-Wizard, what else you working on, man? Wait a minute, nope, it's wrong. Why is it dragging all those with it? It's like there's multiple there.
Multi-Wizard says, I'll put about it soon.
Okay, cool, alright.
Tonofbrix says, all this AI stuff is cool and whatnot, but I really hope it doesn't become super smart and take all the jobs.
It's not gonna take the jobs, dude. So one thing I said, because so I'm on a Discord for like game devs, another Discord for game devs that they have like talks and stuff, and they were talking about how AI will make things like faster and it may eliminate some jobs. And I was like, they said the same thing about cloud. And what ended up happening is some companies just ended up hiring a bunch of cloud engineers. Like, we're gonna need, AIs need to be fed massive amounts of data, be trained, be prompted, be integrated. And not everybody needs to know how to like work AI, but you can be in a field that's AI adjacent. The bigger issue is companies thinking they can replace people with AI. That's going to be the problem. Now, if you want to get an idea of where things are going, I just watched a episode of Fireship on YouTube where he talked about Cloud Sonnet 3.7 and how it was able to write and output code. And you can see where that stuff is at, because that's right now he's saying that's the edge of code generation. But it still needed someone who knew what the code was supposed to do to make it work. And where he compared it to like ChatGPT and what else? What was the other one? ChatGPT and he may have done it to DeepSeek as well. And Claude Sonnet, the new Claude Sonnet, blew it away. But it still needed him to know what questions to ask, to prompt it to get what he wanted out of it. You see what I'm saying? And can AI eventually learn how to do that on his own? Sure. But there's always going to be humans that need to be part of that process. If you get what I'm saying. So I'm not personally You know, I'm not personally thinking like, my job will be replaced by AI. My concern is my company thinking that my job can be replaced by AI, which, how much do I say about this? So I worked for, or I am working for a company. How much do I talk about this? So the company I'm working for right now is not the company that I was hired by. My company closed last year, and this is where my financial problems come in. And they got bought by another company. My former company, which is, well, really it's the same company. It wasn't like I transitioned companies. It's the same company. It just got bought by another company. But anyway, they wanted to do a thing where they stopped us working directly for clients. And they wanted us to be deployable packages with AI software. Now, of course, telling you now makes no difference because that company doesn't exist anymore. And that they have no plans of continuing that stuff. But essentially, we would not be consultants anymore. And on that plan, we would be part of a technology package that a client got, which makes me feel like they were thinking that we could be like QA for AI. That's the way I interpret it, even though they never fully explained it. And I'm glad that plan is dead. I'm just saying. But yeah, that's the big fear, is companies thinking they could save money by replacing us with AI, which is not a thing right now. So, which is not I won't say that. Is not a viable option right now because AI is just not there. Can it get there? Maybe, but I seriously doubt it. I feel like the more we integrate AI into things, the more we're going to need people to be part of that process. Give me a second here. I need to. All this ranting has made me like hot. I need to take off my hoodie.
Tonophbrix says, my CIC, and I would also be happy if that plan got stopped.
Yeah, and my thing is, I'm not against like AI integration into like work. But again, it's the idea of replacing people that's the problem, or changing how we operate and making AI do most of the work. That's the big problem that I think is an issue more with people, with management, than with actual AI. Management and business, essentially. Anyway.
Tonophbrix says, I agree.
Yeah. Why does it feel like it's... Yeah, multiple. Okay, I was thinking I had multiple of those selected for some reason. Okay.
Multi-Wizard says, I'm making a modal.
Yeah, when you get it together, let me see it, man. No, wait a minute. You're making a model. You keep saying modal. That's what keeps throwing me off.
Multi-Wizard says, so far it very easy.
If you don't mind, take some, if you can, take some video of it. We can put it up. Or put it on Discord and I'll like, we'll take a look at it or something. Why does the bottom and the top one look so different?
Tonophrix says, alright, I got to go, sorry again for that absence for a second there, but anyway, have a wonderful night and until next time I will see you later. Tell anybody else who comes that I said hi or something.
Hey, never apologize if you gotta do stuff, man.
Bye, Multi-Wizard.
You take it easy, Ton, so you have a good night, man.
Tonophrix says, you too, see ya later. Multi-Wizard says, have a look.
Oh! Knowing you, you wouldn't make this. This looks like something you would make.
Multi-Wizard says, the file is 20 megs.
20 megs is not bad. I would probably have to like look at optimizing for stuff that I would do, but dude, this looks cool just to make out of nowhere. Now, also, I wonder, can you customize? But you probably could. You probably, if you give this to a modeler, it'd be like a good starting point. But then a modeler would probably want to. I don't know if how well they would want to use something like this and have to
Multi-Wizard
alter it.
says, DM you email.
Okay. But that's cool, man. Oh, sorry. Got some things up there I didn't realize. Sorry. Yeah, my thing is too, I wonder how well you can customize that, like, because you wouldn't want, like, you would want to like make sure you didn't have a generic look coming out of there. You would want to be able to alter it to your own look of your game. So I wonder how much work that would be over just letting like an artist, letting a modeler, create something from scratch. But that'd be a great way to start. Because my modeler, he needs like visual, concept art and stuff to go off of. If I could just hand them something like that and just tell them, okay, I want this to look like a cartoonish version of that, that would probably be really cool. Right now, though, I do use like AI for that. When he needs like concept art, like for a weapon, I do use things like focus for that. That'll do that. I can just tell the AI, okay, I want a weapon with these type of criteria. And then it will generate different types based off of it.
Multi-Wizard says, all did it all due to this backside LOL.
This backside. Oh, okay. I'm trying to be careful. I know you had some names up there. I didn't want to. But dude, I wonder if I can actually show this on Twitch. Hold up. I'm gonna show it real quick. It's not, I don't see on the stream long. I'm not trying to get messed up over this. But yeah, that's a backside. That's definitely a backside.
Multi-Wizard says, hee hee hee.
Hee, sir. It's all fun and games until Twitch brings down the ban hammer. But thank you for showing me that stuff tonight. That's, like I said, if I had time to dig into that, I'd be fully into it. Let me know like what you do with that stuff. If you if you actually put it in a game or something. Because I actually wonder what is my I haven't looked and seen what my average model face and vertice count is. I need to actually look at that. But I did want low polygon models just for practical optimization, for just general optimization. Right, let's see here. Use a color transition. Graphic target. Oh, like this, right? Nope. That doesn't do it either. Doesn't do it for you either. Okay, so I could just miss the sprite renderer. But I know you can do this. I just have not set this up properly. Anyway, I'm gonna start right now. So let's go ahead and set up our buttons. Don't have any functions set up yet, but we will. Yeah, but the thing is, if I set this up properly, I wouldn't have to make changes. I wouldn't have to manually make changes when the visuals when people are when it's interacted with. So I really need to figure out what I need to do to get that working. I guess we could bring up the other project and actually look at it. It's like bring up the other game here. Well, let's go. We can continue working on these buttons. Right. Nope, not interested, not interested. Get the hell out of here. right. How are we doing it here? Let's check that image out. That folder's not empty. Come on. Or I guess it is empty. Actually, never mind. The buttons are in here with the buttons. Oh, wait a minute. These are my buttons. These are not the menu buttons. These are all my animations. Image source UI sprite. Resources. Oh, it's a Unity built-in button. Oh, okay. You need to have an image. Makes sense, makes sense, makes sense. All right, all right. Let's actually back to the drawing board on this one. With that. Guessing. Let's see. There we go. There it is.
Multi-Wizard says, there you go.
Would you? Oh, okay. Let's check this one out. That just looks cool. Look at that. That's cool. Even looks like she has a long cybernetic arm there. Very cool, man. And you only did that, and how long did it take you to do that? It was like 10 minutes, right? I do wonder if you can change the like the actual aesthetics. Essentially, like, can you make her look cartoonish, or can you make her look? She has a bit of a cyberpunky look here.
Multi-Wizard says. Less.
Oh wow. Yeah, she has a cyberpunk look here, but I wonder, can you make her look furry? Can you make her? Let me see.
Multi-Wizard says. More like 4 minutes.
Okay. Can you make her like give her a claymation even look to her or something like that? That's what I would want to next. Like, do they all look like this? Because this has a very like plastically look.
Multi-Wizard
which could be
says.
fine.
I think so.
Okay, so they have the same look no matter what. Okay. So this would, to me, would be like a good starting point then, where I would take this, I would like almost use it as like a sketch of what I want my character to kind of look like, and then give it to a modeler.
Multi-Wizard says. The text can do anything.
Okay, so does the AI can you tell it like different styles is what I'm thinking. But I'm guessing the model makes it like this. Essentially makes it look like this.
Multi-Wizard says. I think so.
Okay. Yeah, I'd love to find out. And then the next thing is like, can you rig it? Can you like? I have so many questions, and I'm not asking you to research all that stuff for me, but it's just things I'm wondering about this. But thanks again, man. That doesn't change the color. Yeah, that's not changing the color either. Wonder if you can't do it to a... Well, no, that's not true. It's not making any change to it at all. Oh, wait a minute, I haven't moved it. So what? Oh, actually, that's where if it's pressed. Let's... So I change the normal color, right? Will it not let me change it? Oh, there it is. It's not changing it here. I wonder if it changes it for... Let's see. No, it doesn't like it's changed. Check the other game real quick. So none UI sprite. So that's the name, so it's not okay. Let's see. Let's just play and see what happens.
Multi-Wizard says. Time this out.
Okay, what time is it? It's 11:11 my time. Let's see what you got.
Multi-Wizard says. It's adding the color.
Huh, okay.
Multi-Wizard says. And mech.
All right. I was hoping it can color tint these buttons, but I'm guessing that's not a thing, or at least not the way I'm doing it.
Multi-Wizard says. I think it takes 4 minutes.
All right. We're 1 minute in.
Multi-Wizard says. But my PC has 64 gigs RAM.
I wouldn't think it would use your PC though, right? Are you wait a minute. Are you downloading an app onto your machine, or are you using it through the website? If this is the website, then that's their server that's generating that. The AI is on their server. Like, look at your PC specs. Are they pegging? That would be something. I don't think that would work. I don't think that would be able to happen. They would run it off your machine. I can see that one day, but I don't see it right now.
Multi-Wizard says. Nope, I'm good.
Yeah, that's what I'm figuring. It's running off their server.
Multi-Wizard says. Done.
Oh, that was 3 minutes. Okay. Field center. Type sliced. It doesn't have a border. Probably doesn't. This isn't, I doubt this is what's my problem. Well, hold the phone. So I'm not sure what fixed that, but Okay, what fixed that problem? Well, it doesn't change it here. Never mind. It doesn't change it here. Unless it's... You have to be rendered. No?
Multi-Wizard says. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, I can't show that on... I'll show the front of that. I can't show the back of that.
Multi-Wizard says. Hey, I goofed up a bit.
Yeah.
Multi-Wizard says. LOL.
I mean, she got legs for days. And an extra arm, and an extra hand out the elbow. That's definitely some AI stuff. But hey, she can shoot behind her. I'm trying to see what this. She, look, her mouth came down here a little bit. So there's definitely some issues with the AI. Like it's definitely doing AI stuff. It's normal color. Why is it showing this here and not showing it? Oh. Let's just see if we can make it do something. Yeah, I doubt setting it up with a function would matter. I just feel like something's up when I'm not doing this properly, and it's not gonna color. It's not gonna do my interaction colors. But I guess we can try real quick. Just make a function. At worst, I can probably just change the sprite color or something code-wise. Or actually, I won't do that right now because I don't need to do that right now. This is just for testing purposes. I don't even like these buttons. They'll probably just get replaced. We need to move on to actually getting the buttons functional. But we can go ahead and set up our first function for them to call. But input. Huh, button. I know that looked wrong. Come on, this in the main controller. I know it's there. Why are we not seeing it? Not doing the other. Oh, put the object, and then the object gives you access to the function. Okay. Yeah, don't save. There we go. Okay, so we're not even, oh, bottom. Still not changing colors. Yeah, no, right swap. It says it's doing it here, but I sure don't see it here unless it's going to do it when he gets built. All right. Go ahead and create a number of these. Let's see. Probably should give it more of a name. Directional. Or should it be movement button? This. Turn left. All right, gonna set these up. Right. Okay, where's my... Oh, turn it down here. For some reason, I didn't see it. Okay, those are set up. Actually gonna well, hold on. The next thing we need to do is actually make the things we need for the movement. Well, to make the actual objects that are going to indicate the movement. We need 3. We need the player object. Then we need the path object for with the left behind path, and then we'll need a directional object to tell which direction they're going to go if they keep going in that specific direction. I do wonder why this isn't loading in. These aren't loading in to the and being put into spaces. I have to figure it out before I test something outside of this. But we don't have to worry about that tonight. I was thinking here. All right. I really should write some code to make those buttons dynamically stay in the corner, but I'll wait. I don't have to. Doesn't have to be done tonight. One thing I really need is just go ahead and put some lighting in here, but I don't want to do that tonight. And I really need to kind of look at how I need to really understand how lighting works in Unity. And really, I can't really put lighting in there until I get my render engine kind of situated, which I need to really do that. Excuse me if I bumped the mic. I was wondering what that event system was. So we'll make our path object. Throw us probably just a cheap texture on it. Remember how I used to throw a texture on there. And really, we don't need to do that tonight. But I wanted to make it somewhat noticeable. All right. Well, we'll see if that works. I can't really tell how well how. It doesn't have to be well textured. We just need it to look different. Okay, let's do. What's going to represent our player. Let's try it again. Guess the cylinder will be fine. Then we need a directional pointer for the way we're going. Just thinking about something real quick. No, it's not. Oh, oops. Nope. Okay. I can't manipulate the edges myself. Oh, okay.
Multi-Wizard says. This one NSFW.
Are you sure about that? I don't believe so, sir. Oh, it is not safe for work. Okay, yes, then you are correct, yes. So yeah, I definitely can't show this on air. Unless I find a way to cover it in the right places. Hold on.
Multi-Wizard says. LOL.
I don't know why NSFW, for some reason, was somewhat safe for work. I guess for some reason I thought that. Never mind. Hold on. I never thought I'd be doing this on stream. I'm censoring my own stream.
Multi-Wizard says. Ha ha ha.
Oh man. But at least I can see now that it is going to be that plastically, at least from what you've done so far.
Multi-Wizard says. It's not my fault.
It's not your fault that there was boobs on the... Moving right along. But I can see...
Multi-Wizard says. Yup.
Okay. The AI just put boobs on the fox. Okay. Okay. I'll buy it. This is the future we're in right now. AI's put boobs on foxes. Okay. It's feasible. It's feasible. I ain't gonna lie. I mean... Anyway. But I can see now that I guess at least the way you're prompting it is giving that plastic look, and I'm guessing that's what this is going to look like. The models out of this is going to look like, because it's probably the model, the way the model is set up to produce them. Now that doesn't mean they can't come back and update the model, and make it where you can do different looks. That wouldn't be too hard. It just depends on what you actually build it off of. Because I used to use well, I still do use what is it, deepai.org, where I was getting pictures off of there for like my streams and stuff, for like my stream thumbnails, and they were just updating their model, and eventually, in the beginning it looked terrible, but eventually they updated their model, and it actually, I wonder if I could show that. I probably still have some of those images sitting around. Can I show this without? Yeah, I think I can't. Well, no, I can't. Yeah, I can't show. Well, wait a minute. Let me see.
Multi-Wizard says. BRB.
Okay. Yeah, I'll show it to you when you get back. All right. Can I? Oh, that's not what I want to do. That's not what I wanted to. I wanted to free move that, but I don't know if that's possible. Edit bounding volume. Hold shift after clicking control. Yeah, no, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to cut this in half and make this a triangle. But I could just leave it as is. It's not going to be it's not going to, again, this is all just representative of what's going to be there eventually. Oh, it has to update the collider. I don't want that. All right. So we got those. Let's actually go write some code to move these around on our client. I had to fix some things.
Multi-Wizard says. There it's safe.
Huh. Oh. Cool, okay. Very cool, man. As I was saying, I was using oh, that's not right. That's not the right thing I pulled up there. That's the very wrong thing I pulled there. So I was using AI to generate images for my like thumbnails. Oops, I'm on the wrong screen. And I can't. So I can. Oh, jump me to the next one. I'm gonna show the difference between them when they update the model. I thought that brought the gallery. There it is. Okay. Things like that, which look kind of decent. This one is when they really updated the model, and I was able actually like really prompting really well. Like I wanted a light shining on a guy. Things like this. There are the other ones you'll see where the hand doesn't look as good. See stuff like this, like it was really getting when they updated the model, it was really getting good. That's when it was bad. See, in the beginning, the feet are everywhere and looks crazy. After the model got good. This is when the model was very bad. Good one, bad. But it's just make my point. Like when they update the model, they can easily like make all that stuff a lot better. Trying to get the one that had the really bad hands. That was from me when I was trying to get some I was trying to get my concept artist a good example of a staff. And I never got to use any of those, man. Again, bad mod when the model was bad. When they got good. It was okay then. See, after the model got good, it made some really great hands. Yeah, see that? That was when the model was really bad. But anyway. Right, here you go, multi-wizard. Let's go ahead and bring in our objects. I need to get those names because I don't even remember them now. But they were simple. They were path, player, and directional, of course. Okay. Well, first we need to start off from wherever the player is. We'll say the player is, we'll just say they're in position 0, looking at like positive Y or something. I'm just thinking here. Place with actual position, just so I don't forget. Are we tracking which way they're looking? I mean, we'll probably figure that out later. We'll just put the directional indicator in the next, just right next to it.
Multi-Wizard says. There you go.
Okay. What we got here? Ooh. Like it. It's still got that plasticky, oh my god, plasticky look to it. But I see though you can actually design other things in here. I wanted to spin it like it was actually the thing. Okay, cool. I'm guessing that remesh is that you can just have it redo the exact mesh. Probably adjust the faces and the vertices or something. Oh, it has rig as well. Have you tried that? But then you'd have to figure out how to, if the rig is right though, you wouldn't know until you try to put an animation on it. But you probably could upload that to Maximo.
Multi-Wizard says. I don't know.
Yeah, that would be the things I'd play with. Just seeing how easy it would be to get it, animations put on it and stuff like that. Because I'm trying to remember, does Maximo rig or do they just pull in your rig? Because I know they use AI to do that as well, I believe. Because I believe my avatar was already rigged when I uploaded to Maximo, and it just recognized the rig as I guess common to the avatars, and I was able to apply animations to it then. Oops. So I keep flipping up and down and you just, yeah, there it is. Okay. Ooh. How do we do this if we don't know which way they're actually looking? Well, I forgot I didn't have it on the screen when I was showing it. Hopefully it showed the whole thing. Oh, let me see. Yeah, okay, it did. So I was looking at this one. Yeah, okay. So if I'm looking, it depends on where. think how this is going to work. Really, the directional will be the lead. You're really controlling that. And down would be. Let's check that out in the actual game. I didn't realize they were that close. Wait. Oh, because it did move there. Okay, that's what I wanted. Okay. Does need to be a little bit smaller. Alright, so player is here looking this way. And you're really controlling this guy for the next position you want to move into. And moving down, it's moving down columns. It's negative columns. Make this smaller. Slightly smaller. I mean, this doesn't need a collider. So down is negative on columns. I need to keep track of the player's current row and column. So I muted the music when I was trying to mute myself because I was about to sneeze. Okay. This is row first, isn't it? Yep. And really, this shouldn't. This is definitely going to change because it's not taking into account if something's in these positions that they shouldn't be in. But we are going to take that into account when we do the positional stuff in a minute.
Multi-Wizard says, now I'm really done.
Okay. Here's another one. Hold on, let me check. Oh. This reminds me of Beast Wars. Or oh, what was that? Horizon. Zero Dawn. Oh my goodness. The game with the robot dinosaurs. I can't remember the name. But yeah, it looks good, man. Very cool. Now, did you pay for a month of that? I wonder how many. I know it does like tokens or something. How many tokens have you used so far?
Multi-Wizard says, a few.
Okay, so it's not expensive to just generate a couple models.
Multi-Wizard says, but GTG, I'm sleepy.
All right, my man, you take it easy. Let me know if you do any more work on that stuff. I'd love to see it. Oh, wait a minute. Do I need not the player? I need the directionals. Current position. Or I need to know the difference between the user and directional. All right, that. Because I think this would be. Let's actually say like the next grid panel. And this would be the directionals. Thinking, how would that work if somebody moved backwards into the directional backwards in their own position? We will say they can't. I wonder if this will take care of that. Because it shouldn't let you move into another person's position, probably including your own. It's null. If that comes back null, then we need to inform them that they can't move in that direction. We'll just leave a note. So we need to put a second here. We need to put the path indicator down, but I'm trying to, do we put it down after the player? I think we leave the player where they're at, and we have a trail leading behind the indicator, and we only move them when they actually attack, which you're not doing tonight. Well, essentially, when they decide to initiate attack, then we move. All right, I think I know what we're gonna do here. Remove the directional. Huh? That's that. That will make us a new path indicator. And then later, before we finish, we'll have to make sure we turn the path indicator towards the direction that the directional indicator is going. Well, we need to do this first. This is getting the old position here. Okay. And we're going to be doing this a lot, so we might as well put this in the functions. Okay, we'll just put these in here and we'll make the corrections as we after we get it all in there. Okay. So what's this? Oh, I didn't update. She do need to update the value. Okay, so left, I think it's gonna be the negative here. Oops, it's not what I want it. All right. Before we do the turn stuff, let's go ahead and test. I can't see anything to know if it's working or not. Oops, that means did it not move? Oh, well. I didn't name the created. But it didn't move. Well, didn't move. Okay, so what did I break? Nothing. What if I broke something? Oh. Let's go back and put some breakpoints in those functions. Okay, guess I broke it somehow. Shouldn't be that changes to private, as I've done it before. They only need to be public for it to initially find it. But it still doesn't work even when I have them public. Alright. Alright, let's just do this. Let's reassociate them. Maybe something happened when I regenerated something or something else. What the? Huh? Okay. Obviously wrong. Right down, okay. Left down. Okay. Still no. Oh, it's not attached. That's why. Oh, wait a minute. It's not attaching. That's weird. Saying it's building and everything. Oh, do I have another instance of Unity up? Because I've had that before and I had multiple instances of Unity up and it had issues with that. I couldn't decide which one to attach to. That's super weird. All right, well, just old school it with some debugs. Okay, it's completely broken. Oh, well, that worked. That worked. Okay. Why are we only doing the down? Why am I button events not working? Except for the down. Which I'm guessing they can't go. I'm gonna reassociate this while it's in this mode. Let's do the left again. Only when the worst is down. That makes no sense. Why are my events not working? Let's just do a full... That is... what? I don't understand. Oh, look at the functions. There's something weird about them? I mean, this is the first one. That shouldn't have anything to do with it, though. Well, I'm just doing dumb stuff to see what happens. Just gonna stick this up top here. Well, that was fine. Let's see. I'll stick this. This is some type of failure. Nothing. Just that one. Do something stupid. I'm just gonna change the names. Right bottom was B. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna associate a different one first. See if it was like order of association or something. It shouldn't be. It's gotta be something I'm doing. I think it was B or C. Doesn't matter. Good. So I probably put them in the wrong order, but at least if they fire. Oh, it's what? Still nothing. And it's moving too. Look. You see, so I want it turned the wrong way, but this is exactly what I want. I've got to have set those buttons wrong again. It's gotta be what's happening. Let's go back and look at the difference in these buttons. Okay, interactable. Image. Oh no, don't tell me I need their own like script, right? Because I think that's what he did in the other game. But the UI guy did in the other one. He made a script and probably put it on each one, didn't he? That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. Yeah. Let's see. Let's, I guess, bring back the other game, Unity file. What if I take it off of this one and see if it matters? Does it still have the move? No, it doesn't. I don't know why he got rid of it. I don't know why he got rid of the debugs earlier. Wait a minute. Oh, I didn't put, I removed it from top, right? Thought I removed it from bottom. So it still doesn't even do it on the top one. I don't understand. I swear this was working before. I got to be doing something wrong. Okay. Oh, because I haven't set up a settings button yet. I mean, those are look fun. What is my issue? The down buttons. It's different other than it's up top. Oh, what if they're overlapping? Nope. No, I thought that was a trick. But they shouldn't be overlapping because the box should be like this. Let me just see what happens here if I do this. I just don't get it. So I didn't mean it to mic. But I'm legit thinking about calling it quits for tonight. We know this works in principle. For some reason, we've hit a roadblock. We can't figure out why our buttons aren't working. And the way I feel right now, I'm about ready to table it until next time. Been a long day. So it's not overlap, right? It's not working. Kind of stuck, you know. It might be sitting, looking at me square in the face, and I just can't think about what the actual issue is here. So I think we're gonna call it for the night. It's gonna bug me. My buttons look terrible, but they're just functional for right now. Gonna be something silly I missed. Sure, what else to do here? Let me at least put functions on those other ones just to see if they're all in the same boat. So nothing else is working with that one button. I think I'm gonna call it. We're gonna not give. We didn't get a W tonight. We got close, but have to figure out what's going on here. But until then, I want to thank Ton of Bricks and Multiwits for stopping by. Any lurkers, you're always much appreciated. I'll probably be back later on this week. I'll probably be still on this. Or I might play a game, I don't know. But until then, stay safe, and I will see you next time.